Women are more likely to be injured in car crashes because cars are mainly designed for male bodies. That's just one example of what Invisible Women calls the gender data gap. Carolyn Perez explains that this gap isn't just about the missing numbers, it's about how cultural biases decide what data gets collected, how it's interpreted, and whose experience matters more. And that default is male. The book introduces the concept of default male, the idea that men are considered standard in everything, from crash test dummies to medical research to workplace design. Because of this, the women's experiences are often overlooked, not out of malice, but because they were never factored in. And cultural biases also shape what we value. Unpaid labor like caregiving or emotional support is largely done by women and is usually not counted in economic data, making it seem less important than it is. And you might think, does this really matter? But the truth is, these blind spots have real consequences. Women are more likely to be misdiagnosed, underserved by public transport, and placed at risk by design decisions that doesn't consider them. The introduction of Invisible Women lays the groundwork for one powerful truth. When data assumes men are the default, women are left invisible in policy, research, and everyday life. And that is just the introduction. I'll be covering each chapter in detail, so stay tuned for more.